I'm going to show you how we repaired this damage without doing any painting or body work. Stay tuned. So somebody backed up into this brand new 2020 Dodge Ram truck here, damaging the tailgate and the bumper. The bumper is a thicker gauge sheet metal, so it requires a lot more force to move it. Just a harder to manipulate material all around. And then the tailgate, you can see, is really pushed in pretty bad. It's got a really deep impact point there, which is going to give us a run for the money, but definitely a good candidate for the process. The one thing about this repair that kind of stood out to me was the fact that the customer initially set out to do just traditional replacement of parts, wanted to have everything replaced at a body shop, but unfortunately they could not get the parts for this vehicle. So Paintless Dent Repair seemed to be a better option for them. They need this vehicle for work every single day. And not to mention, you get to keep the original factory paint finish. We're essentially not disturbing anything about this paint finish in the process of repairing it. You can see a really deep impact point right there under the lighting fixture that we use. That is a trouble spot for us, but using the right techniques, hiring a skilled technician, we're able to repair that back to factory condition. You can see us just manipulating that metal through that opening. That's a factory opening there, and just starting to get the shape back of the panel. You can see the light kind of moving right there in the reflection, and it's coming together. This is just us getting the general shape back, like I said, and we're just kind of piecing the puzzle together slowly. This is realistically about I would say roughly about 10 hours worth of work to do both the bumper and the tailgate repair together using Paintless Dent Repair. And if you're watching closely here, I'm actually manipulating the metal from the outside and inside of the panel, pushing from the inside and also tapping from the top or the outside of the panel. So look closely here at the light reflection, and you can see it kind of distorted. It's kind of like a wave in the light reflection. That machine right there, that's orange, that I'm pointing to, is basically going to help us stabilize the backside of that panel so we can get rid of that wave. And essentially what that wave is the stretch in the panel. It's the panel has been overstretched. Metal has essentially been pushed past its threshold of ever being able to lay flat again. And with the help of that machine, we're able to lay that metal down nice and flat again. You can see in the reflection here, we've got it looking really good. And at this point, the customer asked me if I was finished, and I let them know I still had some work to do. But you can see it's flattened out quite nice. All right, so here is the final product. Came out really nice. And I'm going to show you just some basic indoor reflections to show you that everything lines up nicely. And that's what you kind of want to look for when you have a paintless dent repair done to your vehicle. The reflections should be consistent and line up, no distortion. And we didn't drill any holes to get to the back side of the panel. We used that factory access hole right there that we saw, and a couple others from the sides here. To get to the backside. And here's another indoor pan, of the reflections inside, just to kind of show you the outcome. And as you can imagine, we had a really happy customer. Didn't have to bring his vehicle to a body shop, leave it there for a week or two. Everything stayed intact. Nothing was changed about this vehicle in any way during the process of repairing it. Bumper came out really nice as well. If you have any questions about Paintless Dent Repair, feel free to reach out at 386-216-5185, or you can visit cfldentrepair.com. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Have a great day.